Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Mark Clip in DaVinci Resolve. This feature is incredibly useful for precisely selecting and editing specific portions of your footage, giving you complete control over what makes it into your timeline. Let's jump right in and get started. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once you're in, you'll notice several tabs at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on Edit. This brings you into the editing workspace where you'll be working with your clips and timeline. It's here that all the core editing magic happens. Now let's talk about mark in and mark out. These two functions are essential for defining the exact start and end points of the section you want to use from your clip. Think of them as brackets that highlight the precise portion of footage you're interested in. To set your mark and point, adjust your playhead to the exact frame where you want your selection to begin. Once you've positioned it, press I on your keyboard. This creates your mark and point. Next, move your playhead to where you want your selection to end and press O on your keyboard. This sets your mark out point. On your video preview, you can now see the duration of the marked section displayed on your clip. The beauty of this is that you're not locked into these marks. You can adjust them at any time if you want to expand the selection or make it shorter. Simply move the marks by dragging them to refine your selection until it's exactly what you need. Now, what if you change your mind and want to remove the mark in and mark out? It's simple. Just press Alt-X on your keyboard. This clears both marks instantly, giving you a fresh start to set new ones if needed. Once you have your mark in and mark out set, you're ready to add this clip to your timeline. There are two main ways to do this, and each serves a different purpose. If you want to insert the clip into your timeline, press F9 on your keyboard. This inserts the marked section at your playhead position, shifting any existing clips to the right to make room. Alternatively, you can press F10 to overwrite. This places the marked section at your playhead position but replaces any footage that's already there, rather than shifting it. This is particularly useful when you want to replace a specific section without affecting the rest of your timeline structure. And that's it! You've now mastered how to use Mark Clip in DaVinci Resolve, giving you precise control over your editing workflow. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.